To get premium trading and investing tips, support on Patreon. How's it going, everybody, and welcome to another Market Watch video, guys. Today EA has released the new Road to Final team, and it's looking very sick. They released just a few UCL cards, we're going to show it later, but they also released the Europa League cards, and they're going to be in packs till next Friday. So we're going to go through some patterns and wait when to buy them, when's the best time to do them, and all of that. And right now we also have the objective Korea, which I think is very good, also because Lazio right now are sitting at the second place, if I'm not mistaken. If I just go under the Champions League standing, they're second with Borussia Dortmund. They also released that sick kanji that I need to show you guys later on. But all in all, I feel like this one is worth doing, and I love just EA bringing him as an objective right now. And they also brought up an SBC, Alexandro SBC, which is worth right now at around 150k, same price as the left back Hernandez, which looks better if you snap a sentinel on that card. But I do think because this dude can get upgraded, it's also a good look if you need it for your team. He's also Brazilian, he can find easier links to other cards. Even though we don't have very good Brazil defenders, you can still link him up with, I don't know, Neymar or someone like that, and you can use that sick new Koulibaly that just dropped on the market. But yeah, actually to complete this you need an 84 rated team with a team of the week player and an 86 rated team, which is, in my opinion, quite solid. Price point that EA put there, and the fodder can be back up. Now if we just look at these here right now, yesterday we went in, bought a shit ton of fodder, sold it for so many good profits, and this is all the profits that we did right now. And we made a lot of the good moves. I bought also Thiago Silva, which was the only one that didn't go up, and I bought the team of the week because I thought he's gonna rebound. This morning he was 26, but then he dropped back down to 23, 22. I bought him at 22k, and he's still not selling. But as soon as he's out of the packs, as soon as we get closer to that Icon SBC, I'm gonna sell him and make profit. So this right here is no risk investing. If you go in the fodder, even tonight with the supply, they should be rising right now a bit with the Alexandro, but as soon as people stop doing that Alexandro SBC, it is potential that they're going to be back down. You want to snatch a few of the 87 plus rated up again, and you want to resell them. We resell these cards because there's still going to be people tomorrow when the supply is lower. They're going to be completing these SBCs, and they're going to bring the fodder value up in value. But for today, right now, when the supply is coming for this team right here, it is the best to stock up on some as well and sell them before the Mbappe panic. When the Mbappe player of the month is released, I do believe a lot of people are saving the fodder and gonna try and offload it then when that player of the month is out, and that's another window that you can rebuy. The ultimate buy window when you can rebuy as we go into the Icon SBCs, where you can make more profit out of it. Now, if we look at this team right now, it's just sick. We finally got a Bundesliga striker, but that Babu is definitely not worth over 50k right now. This Gabriel Jesus is just nasty, guys. If you look at the endgame stats, these are some freaking sick endgame stats. Akanji brought up in value a bit right now. Zakaria, he's going a bit down, but I'm definitely buying him. I do think that this team could be cheapest on Wednesday. Why? If you guys remember, Rule Breakers Team 2, what I said, and I told you everybody, like Wednesday is going to be cheapest because every single trader and investor is trying to get in on Thursday. This week, the first Road to Final team was lowest on Thursday with the supply. Even this morning, it was very low. Some of the cards, yes, they were lower. The lower end cards like Muriel, they were a bit cheaper and all of that. But if you went in yesterday, you got these cards at the lowest possible values, the Road to Final Team 1. Now, with the Road to Final Team 2, a lot of the people will look at the same patterns from the previous team, and they will try to get in at that specific time, at the same time. I do think that will cause on Wednesday, as we saw it with the Rule Breakers Team 2, that not many people will jump in on the Road to Final 2 cards, and there's going to be very low demand right before Thursday. Everybody waiting for that supply, for the coins coming into the market, and as soon as Thursday hits, a lot of people are going to buy up. Now, we're also going to be very much closer to the games, the UCL games. As soon as we're closer to those, I feel like people are going to try and gamble, buy those cards up, that they think that they can have a good game, like that the team can win and be higher in position standings right now in their group stage. So basically, they're going to gamble on some cards and bring them even more up in value. So actually, I do think if a lot of traders as well, you watch these other dudes that have big followings and all of that, we were very successful with the Rule Breakers. If they say go in and buy on Thursday, you know these guys are gonna go up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go with our same principle as always. We're gonna be ahead of the crowd. We're gonna invest before everybody else invests. We're gonna make very good coins with the fodder right now, which potentially a lot of you are already making crazy profits from yesterday, and we're gonna turn those coins and buy this team as soon as we get into the low point. Now, a lot of you also asked me for the Road to Final Team 1, the Europa League cards to look at them. I'm not even looking at the Team of the Week. I'm just going to tell you this right now, what I said on stream. Like, if you're trying to get in on any Fernandes, Konate, Messi, Watkins, Lozano, guys, look at what happened here to the cards that were in Team of the Week 6. Okay, Felix is not yet lower than what he was in packs. The low point was 150, but I'm guaranteeing you, check it tomorrow. Check it in a day or two. He's going to be lower than what he was when he was in packs. Gnabry is already lower than what he was in packs. Most of these cards from Team of the Week 7, because they're going to get into the panic of Black Friday, are going to be much, much lower. So don't invest. Please don't invest in any of these cards. Messi could be also in the best of Team of the Week, so you don't want to go in that, and you have to be really hesitant before buying. The only good investments right here I see is Silva that I got in already at 22k, and Sergio Roberto should be a bit lower in my opinion, but seems like he's holding value, and he should be holding value just because right now the SBCs are keeping up the demand, and as we get into the Icon SBCs, they will rise in my opinion. So if you're into looking at these two Team of the Weeks, they are the only pickups right now in my opinion. Don't forget, store one of each Team of the Week in your clubs. Watch yesterday's video if you haven't yet, because we're making mad profits on the UCL cards from yesterday, and just like to see, guys, you need to check that video to understand why you should buy one of each of these informs, and you're gonna thank me. You're gonna thank me in a month or two, or whenever there's a lot of the supply of the SBCs, usually during the Footmas period in December. You should be making Mac coins, so don't forget to watch that yesterday's video. Go and rewatch it right after this one, because you will make Mac coins if you go into that Footmas period. Now, going into the Road Final Team 1, the last things that I want to show you about is the Europa League cards, who are still supplied. They're supplied till Tuesday. I don't think it's a good price point yet. Sanchez was 550 yesterday. Aubameyang was 880. Right now is a bit of the hype. People are buying right now, and Didi is 240, but I think they're going to be back down. There's not enough supply potentially right now, because people didn't prepare for a very sick Road to Final Team 2, which I think it's very good. Maybe some of the cards are even way better than what we saw in the first team. But the fact is that all of these cards, looking at Diaby at 63k, and I didn't see him drop back down under 55k since I was observing him, I feel like that there should be a moment of more supply on these lower end demand cards for them all to be brought lower. I do think though that Monday or Sunday could be one of the times to get in on any of these cards if they go lower right now. It depends, of course, while we will see them starting tomorrow. If they're gonna go losing value, I believe they will into the evening, and then on Sunday in the morning maybe we'll see them quite cheaper. So might be the time to pull the trigger. Guys, streams are live every day from Monday to Friday, 5:30 p.m. UK time. Make sure to be there. We're making loads of profit lately. We're making very good calls. If you have any questions, just drop them down below. And I'll see you on Monday again, fellas. Hoping to make that profits. Don't forget about the fodder. See you there. Cheers.